Hi Sagittarius, I'm Anisha and this is your week 1 forecast for October 2015. Sagittarius, for the first 8 days we have Venus and she's there in a part of your chart that is about higher learning, it's about travel. A lot of focus is there in the first 8 days wherein that there's going to be a desire not just to travel but also to broaden your mind. So a lot of you are going to be traveling, a lot of you are going to be in fact making plans, you're going to be looking forward to be traveling. Because this also speaks about higher mind and learning, there is a lot of focus on not just on adding a skill set but even doing formal studies. It can be for those of you who are seeking admission outside the colleges, you will be able to identify a college, maybe something that or a place where you always wanted to work in. And for some of you it could just be maybe it's a dream course, it's something that you really wanted to do for the longest of time and your company sponsors you, so it's going to be just a very lovely time. It's also a great time to be not just I would say a great time but and Venus, I'd like to mention, has been there unduly long in this part of the chart simply because she was retrograde last month. But now for the first 8 days before she moves into your next house of career, over here she is going to be not just bringing you opportunities but she's also going to be creating such an atmosphere wherein or an environment or situations around you wherein that you will find that maybe to learn something or just simply by traveling you are learning more. Maybe you're coming across with people from different backgrounds, different cultures, different mindsets, and hence you imbibe more and you learn more. Similarly over here it can also be that that through associating with people from maybe foreign countries, you learn more as to how it is that you can apply those learnings in your business as well. So quite a lovely beginning to the first 8 days of the month, Sagittarians. It's been a pleasure speaking with you. I'll see you soon and thank you so much for watching.